Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. And this could be my last ever video. If these products live up to their name, Liquid Death, are they going to kill me? I hope not. Right, these were 39p each, or 3 for £1 from Home Bargains. And of course, because they were 3 for £1, I had to get 3, didn't I? So I got 2 of this one. Right, these 2 have been in the fridge for a couple of days, so they're nice and cold. So we've got mango chainsaw and severed lime. It says on the can here, murder your thirst. Recycle or die. Okay, I'll recycle them then. Right, so this one is carbonated mango and orange flavoured water drink with sweetener. And this one is carbonated lime and orange flavoured water drink with sweetener. Now the strange thing is, you look at the ingredients on these and they're identical. They both say carbonated water, sweetener, agave nectar, natural flavouring, preservative, citric acid. And yeah, they're exactly the same. So I'm guessing the natural flavouring will be where they differ. They'll have different natural flavourings. Right. Made in Austria for Liquid Death Mountain Water, Los Angeles. Okay. Now I've never heard of agave. It says on the description here, this ruthless tall boy of flavoured sparkling water has a twisted plan to use natural agave and exploding bubbles to murder your thirst and recycle your soul. Okay. Right. Now I think I'm going to like the mango one the best. I don't know though till I try, do I? Mango and orange. What was it? Lime and orange. Okay. So let's try the lime and orange first. I don't think there's anything else on the can there I can tell you. It's got the ingredients in several different languages. Right. Here we go then. Liquid Death. Wish me luck. I'm going in. Completely clear, as you can see. It's very, I don't know, what's the word? Thin, unsubstantial. Not hugely sweet, not hugely flavoured. It is fizzy. I'd be hard pushed to identify that flavour. Someone gave me that and said, what flavour is it? I'd say, well, vaguely fruity. Because that's what it is. Yeah. Wouldn't have that again. Okay. Mango and orange. Let's see if this actually tastes of mango and orange. Well, they haven't killed me yet. That's a bonus, isn't it? Right. Liquid Death, mango and orange. Cheers. Yeah. Well, I'm going to say, well, just refer to what I said about the previous one, because this is much the same, just with a slightly different taste that's really quite unidentifiable. And to be honest, a little bit unpleasant. I bought 2 of this one, didn't I? Oh well. Let's go back to the severed lime. That's the better one. That is the better one out of the 2, the severed lime. But neither of them are particularly great. I can't recommend either of them. I guess the only saving grace is they haven't killed me. Yet. Right, that's what I think of them. Basically not a lot. This mango one, I doubt if I'll finish that. In fact, I won't finish it. That's going to be poured down the toilet. Or down the drain or whatever. I just... No. And I've got another one here. What am I going to do with that? Okay, I'll go and put it in the bird bath in the garden, shall I? See if the birds like it. But that, yeah, I'm going to finish that. Yeah. Very slowly. Right, that's what I think of them. Let me know if you've tried them. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.